This is the RX100 engine rebuild video. Actually, I had shot this a long time ago, but unfortunately something happened to the mic at that time and I could not capture the audio. This is not going to be a how to rebuild an RX100 engine. This is going to be a journey that I went through while creating or rebuilding this engine, and I want you guys to go along with me during this journey. First things first, I got the covers painted, as you can see, and also we got the connecting rod changed. The connecting rod from the original RX100 engine broke while we were rebuilding or dismantling the engine rather. What I did is I got a Mako connecting rod. This is my first experience with Mako connecting rods. I haven't used them before, but they look nice, and they are basically forged, so the quality is pretty good is what I heard. And I also changed all the bearings and oil seals, so no more engine leak. Apart from that, there will be videos on how to do things like, I'm going to shoot the Shogun engine rebuild, and also there are a couple of more projects planned in. So as of now, this is more of a journey wherein you guys are with me. So as you can see, the engine cylinder and head, everything is also painted. The only sad news about this is we had to rebore this engine to 1 mm, the cylinder basically. Reason being, there was a lot of rust inside, and to get a clean surface we had to rebore. But nevertheless, this cylinder actually cost me around 1000 rupees, so it's still a great deal when we look at the current size of the piston in it. So I want you guys to be part of this journey with me and watch me rebuild this engine. I'll see you at the other end of this video. Okay guys, so what we have done is we have actually put the engine back into the bike, and we have connected everything. I have used stainless steel Allen key screws throughout, so some of them are actually coming loose. So this needs to be torqued. So I have a new Allen key set which I bought, so using that I will torque it. So overall the bike is a little dirty because it was lying unused for some time, so I have to give it a wash. I'll quickly show you how the engine sounds. So yeah. It's running in now, so I have around 6,900 kilometers on this meter, so almost 1,000 kilometers is what I'm expecting the running in to be. And then once that 1,000 kilometers is done, then we will start opening the bike up. So there are going to be a couple of videos coming in the future. I have to first give this bike a nice wash. So since it is little rainy, I'm not going to do it today, but maybe you know, during the weekend I'll give it a wash. So yeah, that is the RX100 video. So this is not supposed to be a how-to video on engine rebuild. This is supposed to be more of a, me building the engine and you guys sitting next to me and watching it. But I'll do more detailed engine rebuild soon. So there are a couple of engines to be built. There is a big bore setup which is to be built, so there is some good news on that. And also the Shogun engine needs a rebuild, so hopefully tomorrow I will rebuild the Shogun engine and I'll shoot a video on that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.